In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how many affiliate programs should I join, with 3 questions you should consider before you start affiliate marketing. So make sure you watch this entire video so that I both ask these questions and help you think through them. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so 3 things that you should consider when answering the question, how many affiliate programs should I join? The first one is, it depends on the platform. If you are going to do something like YouTube or blogging, you can promote multiple affiliate programs without any issue. If you are creating YouTube videos, for example, you can put your main affiliate program at the top and then put other affiliate programs that are passive affiliate marketing, which I'll talk about in just a moment. You can put passive affiliate links down at the bottom. You can actively promote one and then have the other ones that are congruent or complementary, which we'll talk about in just a moment. But I think it really depends on your platform. If you are promoting products over on Instagram or TikTok, you probably want to stick to 1, maybe 2 at the most. But if you are using something that gives you a lot of space to promote different products, like a blog where you can promote products within the blog, on the sidebar, in the heading, in the footer, just about everywhere, you can have multiple affiliate programs. So that's number 1. Depends on the platform. What platform are you going to use when you start affiliate marketing? Number 2 is active versus passive affiliate marketing. Now, active affiliate marketing is something where you are actively promoting the product. For example, let's say I am in the woodworking niche. I might actively promote Ted's Woodworking, which is an affiliate program that can be found over on ClickBank. I might be actively promoting it. In my YouTube videos, I'm telling people to get 16,000 woodworking plans, but I might be passively promoting some of the tools that actually go with it. For example, in the woodworking or wood carving niche, you do need different tools, and you can put those affiliate links in the description of your YouTube video, and those links could take you over to Amazon or Hobby Lobby or even or even Lowe's for affiliate marketing. So that's 5 affiliate programs right there, and it's active versus passive promotion. And believe it or not, as you grow on YouTube or your blog, people are going to click on those passive links and buy those products as well. So in my opinion, I think that you can do both active and passive affiliate marketing, where you include those affiliate links to Amazon and Hobby Lobby and Michaels and Lowe's and earn commissions that way, but still only actively promote something like Ted's Woodworking or Shed Plans or something along those lines. So that is number 2, active versus passive promotion. And number 3, I really think it depends on the niche and how congruent the items are within the niche. For example, if we go back to Ted's Woodworking, think about all the things that are required for someone to get up and running with woodworking. Of course, they're going to want plans or templates or examples. They're going to need different tools. They're going to need blocks of wood. Those are 3, 4, or even 5 different affiliate programs that you could promote right there. So it really all depends. If you are in the make money online or affiliate marketing niche, you might want to promote an affiliate marketing course, different software tools that are going to help them be successful. And of course, something like Bluehost, where people need web hosting for a website. So consider, and this is more of a bonus, is if you're planning on doing email marketing, that's going to allow you to promote even more stuff. For example, I'm in Commission Junction. It's one of the affiliate networks that are out there, but I want to show you the opportunity that you could have if you do email marketing. Now, the difference between affiliate marketing and email marketing is really the difference between people that are really successful with affiliate marketing and people that get frustrated and quit early on. So what you see right now is I'm in the back office of Commission Junction. And what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to type in the keyword of, we'll say woodworking. And when I type in woodworking, I'm going to click search, and we're going to see if there are other opportunities. Now, a lot of people will rush over to ClickBank and talk about Ted's Woodworking, but there are other opportunities to make money as well. As you can see, these are different affiliate programs that you could potentially work with in the woodworking niche. Another thing you could do is go over to, I will say, weight loss. Weight loss is going to have a lot more opportunities, but if you are collecting email addresses, you have the opportunity to promote more. If you are just doing a straight to the affiliate link, you're one and done, or maybe you're just maybe you're sending them to like Google Sites, which is free. You are extremely limited on what you can do. So one thing that I definitely recommend is I recommend that everyone get started with email marketing, because that's going to allow you to essentially promote all of these different things. If you look on here, there are tons of major brands on here that you could promote and make money in the weight loss niche. And some of them actually pay pretty good. I think Beachbody might actually pay per lead as well. So this one right here pays $45 per sale. So I just want to throw in this bonus tip here. I didn't mention a little bit earlier, but I think it's important to realize that if you are going to be in this for the long haul, the long term, you should definitely do email marketing, because then you can go through and you can promote every one of these products or programs. Should you promote 15 different affiliate programs? Probably not. That wouldn't make any sense for a beginner, but you should really think about the things that I mentioned. What is your niche? What are the tools or products required for your niche? Again, if we're thinking about Ted's Woodworking, you're going to want woodworking plans. You're going to want different wood carving or woodworking tools. You are going to probably want a shed or a place to actually do your woodworking. You might want to get a woodworking bench. So think about all of those things when it comes to your overall product that you're promoting. If you're in the email marketing or make money online niche, you're going to want to promote an affiliate marketing course. You're probably going to want to promote email softwares, landing page builders. Make sure it's congruent. It wouldn't make sense for me to promote both affiliate marketing courses as well as basket weaving tools because they're not congruent. It does make sense for me to promote everything within Make Money Online or affiliate marketing because they're all congruent. So again, those three things depends on the niche. It depends on if you're going to do active versus passive promotion. Like I have probably 4 or 5 different affiliate links in the description of this video. One is going to be to an affiliate program that I recommend. One is going to be to different tools and software to help you be successful. For example, I recommend that you use ClickFunnels. I don't really actively promote ClickFunnels because I do believe it's a necessity, and people will click on the link because they know, like, and trust me, and they'll enroll in the ClickFunnels program. And then again, it depends on the platform. If you are using something like TikTok, it only allows for you to it only allows space for one link, and I don't necessarily like those websites like Linktree just because it can mess up your commission. So the short answer is probably no more than 5 as a beginner, but the long answer is it really depends on your niche and the products within the niche and how much of a necessity or how much they rely on each other. So hopefully that answered your question. And if it did, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.